What is in it? There is a circle. Draw a circle like this. Then there is a parallelogram. Okay. This is a circle. This is center O. So from here O, we have a line OA, right? And there is one. We have OC. OC like this. Then we have a line from here that is called B, na? AB.
Yes.
This is B. Now you join this B like a tangent. No. Show me. It is a chord. Sorry. It is a chord. Like this. This is. Right? So this is B. This is A. And these two are parallels. Right? And what else is?
AD.
What is it? Which is AD?
CD. BCD.
B, C, this is D.
Yes.
And there is a line
AD.
AD. This is AD. Okay, fine. So, what do you have to do? Huh?
AB and OC are also parallel.
Yeah?
AB and OC are also parallel.
It is, but it is in diagram. Already given there. Okay. So they are also parallel, means it is a parallelogram. Right. So we can write given AOCB is a parallelogram.
BC is reduced to
Parallelogram. Right. It is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram where opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. So angle AOB, angle AOB, angle AOC is equal to angle ABC. Right?
BC is produced to make the circle at D. Prove that angle ABC is equal to angle OAD.
Right? And by they both are equal, and by theorem angle at center is double to is double to angle at any other point on circumference of circle. Circumference of circle, right? So by theorem, angle at the center is double to angle at any other point on the circumference of circle. So angle AOC is double of angle ACD, right? This angle, and it is double. So angle AOC is double of angle ACD. And what we have to prove here?
Angle APC is equal to 2 angle OAD.
Right? To angle
Angle ABC is equal to
ABC, na? This is na? Angle AOC is equal to ABC, right? As you written here, angle AOC is equal to angle ABC. Therefore, angle ABC is double of angle ACD. Is it? This you have to prove.
OAD. 2 angle OAD.
To
OAD.
मतलब which is OAD. Oh, fine. As OA is parallel to CD and AD is transversal. AD is transversal, right? So क्या हुआ? Angle OAD, angle OAD is equal to angle OAD. This angle is equal to this angle, right? Angle ACD, as because they are alternate interior angles, right? They are alternate interior angles. OAD is equal to ACD. Sorry, no. It's not ACD. It is it's at the center ना, तो एंगल AOC is equal to एंगल ADC होगा. सॉरी, यहाँ पे भी हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा. एंगल ADC. This is ADC. When it is ADC, so it is ADC here also. Right? So angle ABC is equal to 2 angle ADC, and here we prove that angle OAD is equal to angle ADC. This vertex I wrote wrong, right? This vertex I wrote wrong because we are taking this order as is. So angle AOC is equal to is double of angle ADC, double of angle ADC. So by mistake I wrote here. Then angle AOC is equal to ABC is given here. So in place of AOC we have taken ABC and 2 angle ADC. Now we prove that angle OAD is equal to angle ADC. So now you can write here angle ABC. This you want, na? Angle ABC is equal to 2 angle OAD. This you want?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So hence it is proved. Hence proved. During proving and all this, you have to, vertices you have to take in consideration. Just wrong. I wrote ACD. ACD, how can it be ACD? No, it's ADC. AOC will be double of angle ADC. So OAC is equal to ABC. So angle ABC is equal to 2 angle ADC. And now ADC is equal to OAD. So we can write angle ABC is equal to 2 angle OAD. Right? This is the solution. This was question number 14.
Yes.
What do you have next? Huh? 13. Do it. 13.